Do CarFax reports really reduce your car's value after an accident? Imagine you're looking to buy a used car and you see a CarFax report. You notice it shows an accident. Does that mean the car is worth less? Well, the answer is yes. CarFax reports that show an accident history usually lower a vehicle's resale value. This decrease is called diminished value. Even if the car has been repaired perfectly, the accident record can make buyers hesitant. They worry about hidden damage or future problems. On average, having an accident listed on a CarFax report can cut the car's wholesale value by about $300 for minor damage. The retail price might drop around $400. For more serious damage, these numbers can jump to nearly $1,200 for wholesale loss and around $1,500 or more for retail. Some estimates show the diminished value can be as high as $2,000 or more for severe accidents. How much the value drops depends on a few things. First, how bad was the damage? Small cosmetic dents might only reduce the value by 10 to 15%. But if the frame or structural parts are damaged, the loss can be 25% or more. Second, how well the car was repaired matters. Using certified repair shops and original equipment manufacturer parts helps keep more of the car's value. Repairs with aftermarket parts or non-certified shops might only preserve about 70% of the original value. Third, having detailed records of repairs can help. Photos, receipts, and warranties show the car was properly fixed. If you keep good documentation and report repairs on CarFax, it can actually boost buyer confidence. From an insurance point of view, diminished value claims are important. Even after paying for repairs, the car's market worth stays lower because of the accident record. Some states allow owners to file claims to recover this loss. Insurance companies may pay for diminished value because repair costs alone don't cover the full financial impact of the accident. So, in simple terms, yes, CarFax reports do tend to lower a car's value after an accident. The impact depends on how serious the damage was, how well it was repaired, and how transparent the repair history is. Knowing about diminished value claims can help you protect your money when managing your policy and filing claims after an accident.